Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Liana here. On my today's video, I want to show you how I revamped or restored this old TV stand that I've been having for several years now. I started by cleaning the TV stand to remove any dirt or dust. Then the major thing that I'll use to revamp this TV stand is the contact paper. Contact paper almost looks the same as a wallpaper, but the only difference is that it comes with adhesive. You don't need to use a special glue on it like a wallpaper. You just peel and stick. So easy to use. So there I've taken the measurement of my TV stand, the top flat part, and then I'll peel and stick the contact paper the size of the surface that I want to stick it. Hope you'll enjoy this video and remember to subscribe, watch the video till the end and see the amazing transformation that I'll give this simple TV stand. Thank you. Continue covering all the surfaces that I wanted to cover. If you are still watching this video, keep it here and remember to subscribe for more of such DIY videos. In this channel, we do simple home decor DIY. We share ways of making your home beautiful without having to break a bank. Keep it here, and if you're still watching up to this point, don't leave this video. Ensure you watch to the end and see how this TV stand will be transformed. You'll find out that while in the process of covering your surface with the contact paper, at times you'll see the air bubbles. Take a sharp needle or a sharp thing, poke the air bubbles and flatten the space, the places, or rather, if you don't want to get so many of them like my project did, but I'll work on them later, you can blow your surface using a blow dryer. The heat will make the contact paper to be well attached to your surface without the air bubbles. So at this stage, I'm removing those legs that were placed there by the carpenter who originally made this TV stand. You see, he just placed some 4 pieces of wood and nailed them using nails, attached them to the TV stand using nails. So I'll remove them and then I'll improve the TV stand legs, or rather the stand, using some modern legs that I bought. Keep watching this video and thank you for watching this far. I'm replacing the old wooden legs, or rather stands, with these golden ones. I'll leave a contact on my description for anybody who wants to buy them, the contact of the seller. I got this for the TV stand. Now they'll replace these ugly wooden legs. So this is where our TV stand is at now. It's almost 95% done. You can see the legs, so beautiful. The legs are so nice. And I've also covered the whole of the TV stand with the contact paper. It's such amazing transformation. Can't believe it. Another thing I want to put is a knob here for opening the storage part of the TV stand. I bought a knob from a local hardware. You can also find from one near you. And the knob is almost matching with the TV stand legs in gold, as these will be matching with the theme of my living room. Keep it here and remember to subscribe. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and watch our past DIY videos. Turn on your notification bell and be the first to watch my videos whenever I post them. Thank you. Finally, I want to cover this black part using some gold strip. I also got it at the same place that I got the TV legs. Hope you've enjoyed the video so far. Thank you for being here and thank you for your support. We are on our journey to 2,000 subscribers. This is the final look of our revamped TV stand. Just see how beautiful it is. You can save some money. Instead of buying a new stand, why don't you DIY whatever you have using affordable things like contact paper, some paint, some nails, some accessories here and there. Remember, this is our before TV stand, and finally this is the look of my new TV stand in my living room. Thank you for watching our video. Remember to leave us a comment in the comment section.